Happy Friday, guys. So let's take a look at our objective for today. Same as yesterday, I can write my own poetry by borrowing techniques from a mentor text. So really, guys, simple directions today. You'll be doing the screencast, you're doing that right now. You're going to do a second mentor text, so same as yesterday, different poem today, but you'll be filling in blanks, so let's take a look at that. Okay, so you'll make a copy of it. Remember, you also need to make sure you're sharing it with me. Okay, awesome. So here's what it looks like today. This is the example we went over, and then today your poem is called What is Pink? You can listen to it and then fill in your own right here. All right, so those are the first two steps. There is something else that you can do if you would like. I created a Flipgrid for you, and if you want, you can go on and you can read some of the poetry that you wrote or talk about what you learned about poetry this week. So the link for Flipgrid is on Google Classroom. That's totally optional, but it might be fun to kind of check in and talk to other kids about what you did on your poem or what you learned about poetry or anything like that. All right? So if you have any questions or need any help, please email me right away. We'll get you some help, and I hope you enjoy your Flipgrid today.